Hello everyone, we'll start by solving the question 9 of the Cambridge GCSE 2018 exam. Part A, complete the table for the sequence of patterns above. As we see here in the number of gray tiles, we have in pattern 1 and 2, we have 1. And in pattern 3 and 4, we have 9. And as we know that 1 equal 1 square and 9 equal 3 square, we notice that when we are in the pattern odd number and the number after it is the same number as in the number of gray tiles but square. For example, here we have one odd number which we write in the number of gray tiles but we put square. We write 1 square twice here and here, and also here we have 3 odd numbers, so we write it in the number of gray tiles twice here and here, but we put square. Also here we have 5 odd numbers, so we write this twice here and here, but we put square. We now come to the number of white tiles. As we know that 4 equal 2 square and 16 equal 4 square. So we notice that when we have even number, for example here we have 2 even number, we put it in the number of white tiles here and here, but we put square. And also here we have 4 even number, so we write it in the number of white tiles here and here, but we put square. Also here we have 6 even number, so we write in the number of white tiles 6 square. We now move to part B. Find the number of each color of tiles in pattern 15. 15 is an odd number, meaning we write it in the number of gray tiles 15 square. As for the number of white tiles, we take the number that is before 15, which is 14 even number. Now we write 14 square. We now come here, pattern 20. Because 20 is even number, so we must take the number before it, which is 19 odd number, to get the number of gray tiles. Now the number of gray tiles is 19 square. We now come to the number of white tiles. Because 20 is even number, becomes the number of white tiles 20 square. We now move to part C. Find an expression in terms of n for the total number of tiles in pattern n. We also notice that in the total number of tiles, when n equal 1, we have here 1, and when n equal 2, we have here 5, and when n equal 3, we have here 13, and when n equal 4, we have here 25. And when n equal 5, we have in total number of tiles 41. So we get this figure n square plus parentheses n minus 1 square.